Hello everyone, Khalid Wakalik here. Welcome to my TECNO CAMON 15 Premiere unboxing and first impressions. Yeah, I know I said the word Premiere, but let me explain. The CAMON 15 is TECNO's latest addition to the CAMON series, and this time it comes in three variants: the CAMON 15, the CAMON 15 Air, and the CAMON 15 Premiere, which is the one I have with me right now. Although I reckon the CAMON 15 Premiere to be the most premium of the bunch. Now, I should mention that as at the time of making this video, the CAMON 15 is yet to launch in Nigeria, so I can't yet confirm which of the variants will be available as at the time of the launch, or if all of the variants will be available at all. Information on availability, price, and other things to note will be updated on my social media at Dr_Khalid, and also on the description part of this video following the launch of the device here in Nigeria. As you will tell on my channel, my focus on smartphone reviews are usually on cameras, and seeing that cameras are the unique selling point of the CAMON series, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on the follow-up camera review video. Just before we tear this box open, here are some key specifications of this device: 128 GB of storage, 6 GB of RAM, a 64 megapixel ultra quad camera, an ultra night lens, which is something TECNO has been teasing on and on about, so I'm definitely looking forward to testing that, a 32 megapixel pop-up front-facing camera, a 6.6 Full HD display at a resolution of 2340 by 1080, a 4000 mAh battery, and the device is running on Android Q, otherwise known as the Android 10 operating system. And then of course the color we have here is the opal white. And to what we have inside the box, we have some user manual, warranty card, SIM card ejection tool, a rubber case, earpiece, USB cable, and a power brick. To the right hand side of the phone, we have the standard volume rockers and power button. To the left hand side of the phone, we have the SIM card and memory card slots in one compartment. And to the bottom of the phone, we have the speaker grills, USB/charging port, and an headphone jack. And on the top, we have the motorized pop-up camera. And to what is new on the TECNO CAMON 15 Premiere. Of course, the front-facing pop-up camera. Now, this is a trend that we have been seeing across the globe with several smartphone makers, and to no surprise, TECNO Mobile has also followed suit. For now, it looks pretty impressive, but I guess I would have to use it for a while to actually see how well put together it is. Another upgrade worthy of a mention is definitely the 64 megapixel the 64 megapixel back camera setup, which is definitely a first for TECNO Mobile. Again, I'm really looking forward to testing that out to actually see how it works. And more interestingly, I found an article online that says the camera sensor for the CAMON 15 Premiere, I guess, or the rest of the CAMON 15 was made by Sony. Now, this is the first time we are seeing a marriage between Sony and TECNO Mobile, which I think is pretty much a big deal. The article also claims that this sensor is supposed to improve camera quality by 68%. I guess there's just something with the number 6 on this device. And then moving on with the number 6 again, we have the 6.6 Full HD immersive display. With the front-facing camera now motorized, it's super nice to have that full view experience, of course without the cutouts or, hole punches. Anyway, moving on, and then we have the fingerprint scanner, which has now been moved back to the back. We used to have it in the imprint display of the predecessor device, but now they have moved it back to the back, which I'm not sure I found particularly interesting because I sort of enjoyed the fact that I had the fingerprint scanner in the display. I just think it was pretty much easier to use that way, of course. And then to the big one, design. First, I particularly love the opal white color. I'm not sure if there's any color that could beat this, but I particularly love this one. And generally, the phone feels sturdy at hand. The phone is not exactly thin, but it's just thick enough to house that 4000 mAh battery. Here is a quick side-by-side with the predecessor CAMON 12 Pro and even the older Phantom 9. But I think we can all agree that the CAMON 15 is an upgrade. And then also talking about the Ultra Night lens, which is powered by DSP. Again, this is something TECNO Mobile has been going on and on about, so I needed to do some research. DSP means digital signal processor, and then after reading all of the jargon, it basically stands to improve camera quality, camera versatility, and can even act as a source of information when equipped with a network interface. But really, again, I guess we'd have to see how far it goes with the CAMON 15 Premiere. Now, finally, something I'm a little disappointed about on the Camon 15 Premier is the lack of USB Type-C or fast charging. I mean, even though the Camon 15 is not exactly Tecno's flagship, I really think there's no reason for the device not to have one. But then again, these are just my first impressions, and I'll definitely have more to say when I finally get around using the phone. But so far, I would definitely say right moves, right places, because I mean, why not? Especially seeing that this phone is still going to be considered a mid-range device. But you guys know what? Let me know what you think in the comments section. And if you got some more questions, I'll absolutely love to hear from you. Lest I forget, I got the Camon 15 alongside some lovely gift items, which I probably will be passing on to you guys, or like the last time on this channel, I'll probably do a phone giveaway. So to make sure you don't miss out on that, follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram at Dr_Khalid. I say now doctor again. Am I Ghanaian? Twitter and on Instagram at Dr_Khalid, so you stand a chance. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay sanitized.